Hi, all dealers. Welcome to the NAKTO Help Center. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to best use this resource to better understand our products and services. First, let's see how easy it is to navigate to the Help Center. On our official website, you will find the Help Center option in the top menu. Click on it, and you will be taken to a place full of useful information. If you have a specific question or topic, using the search function is the fastest way to get there. Simply enter a keyword into the search bar, and our system will provide you with relevant articles and tutorials. You can also just click on the icon in the bottom right corner and type the question you want to ask in the dialog box, and the robot will also provide you with relevant articles and tutorials. On top of that, today I'll have detailed answers to questions dealers often ask. If you have concerns, there may already be a solution here. First, manuals for e-bikes. Here you can find manuals for each e-bike and its important information. Second, power supplies and charging. Here you can find all the battery and charging related reminders and warnings, as well as answers to some frequently asked questions about batteries. Thirdly, maintenance and troubleshooting, where you can learn about all the accessories, see videos of their repair and replacement, and answers to frequently asked questions about e-bikes. Fourth, assembly guides and tips, where you can see all the e-bike installation tutorials. Fifth, explore pre-purchase insights, which covers some basic information about NAKTO, payment methods, how to become a dealer, and more. Sixth, safety and security. This covers all the do's and don'ts you need to know before riding an e-bike. Seventh, account, shipping, and returns, which covers everything about shipping, warranty, return, and privacy policy. Last, accessories and parts. Here are all the tutorials on how to install accessories. If it's for tracking your order, you can just click here. To find other dealer locations near you, you can click this. For all e-bike maintenance tips, click here. At the bottom of this page, you can also see our contact information. We are here for you to solve the problem. Thank you all for watching. This is NAKTO e-bike.